This is what $330,000 will get you in the master plan community of Elevon, built by Trophy Signature Homes. This bedroom, this bedroom, this bathroom, this bedroom, this living room that open concepts straight into the kitchen with a standalone island, farmhouse sink, and stainless steel gas appliances. And this primary bedroom that is secluded away from all other bedrooms, and of course you already know, comes with a full bathroom with a double vanity, standing shower, and walk-in closet. Now this is a 4-bed, 2 full bath. It is 1,800 square feet. It is currently listed at $329,990. And Trophy Signature Home is running 3 levels of incentives. And if you guys are interested in those, make sure you reach out to us today.